Identifying, because I do various loads. This, I have a 3 on there indicating I'm using 3F powder. I'll put plus sometimes on a wad, meaning this is an overloaded cartridge. This is going to be a big bang. Because oftentimes my preferred load actually is 2F with 2F powder, but I have started experimenting with topping that cartridge off with just a little bit of 4F. Now they say you should never put 4F down the barrel. We had a compatriot who was in the color guard. He's no longer. Actually, he's dropped this year. I won't mention names, but that's all he ever did was 4F down the barrel. He had some very dramatic misfires, hang fires, and flash in the pan that we captured on videotape. But
I can't think who it is. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry.
It's irrelevant. We don't want to put 4F down the pipe. But what I've done is 2F is a lot chunkier than 3F. And
do you want to see the difference?
Yeah, a lot of people have complained. That's what the National Park Service gives us when we go to them and they supply the powder. They give us 2F. A lot of people who are used to shooting 3F say, Jesus, this isn't firing. It's very chunky compared to 3F.
That's 2 and 4. If anybody wants to see the difference.
No. Yeah, oh, this is 4.
That's 4, yeah. 2
right.
is the very chunky, and 4 is the fine.
Basically, the chunky, you need to get a good spark on that.